What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Now in this video you're gonna learn 5 unconventional ways for promoting your CPA marketing offers absolutely free. Now these are gonna be truly unconventional ways. I'm not gonna tell you to start a YouTube channel or to start a site or anything like that. I'm not gonna tell you the things that everybody else is telling you. These are gonna be unique, unconventional ways, and I'm gonna show you which offers you can promote which method. And so you're going to be able to apply some of these tactics and methods that I'm going to teach you in the video. You can cherry pick. Maybe you want to promote it using this method or that method, or you want to focus on this niche or that niche. It's really up to you. Or maybe you want to promote it using all 5 methods. And so this is going to be completely unconventional tactics. All right, so let's begin. So the first method I really want to talk about is the so-called jobs and careers niche, right? So whether you know this or not, if you go into Maxbounty, you actually have offers that you can promote to people that are looking for jobs, because most of these offers are really like consumer-based offers. Fill out the survey, do the sweepstake, things like that. But there are also offers that are for like entrepreneurs, people are looking for jobs. And the jobs that I have in mind are not like work from home jobs or make money online niche. What I'm referring to is basically real jobs, right? So something like DoorDash driver acquisition program. Okay. Another one is this Postmates fleet sign up. And I've also seen Uber Eats come and go from time to time. So depending on when you actually open this in Maxbounty, you might see other offers. And these are the offers you want to promote to people that are looking for jobs, right? People that are looking to have a little bit of side income. They're looking to do something more. And you're going to find these people all over the place. And I want to show you one easy way to find free traffic to these kinds of offers. Basically, free exposure for your offers. And what you do is you basically go into Google and you type free job listing sites. And here's a site I found. This is actually by Google, hired by Google. And this is 50 free job posting sites to help you hire faster and smarter. And here's another one. This is actually called Better Team. And this is free job posting sites. And then we have another one, Workable. Post jobs for free with one click to top job boards. And so what you're looking at here, right? The angle you want is you're not really promoting these to consumers anymore. You are becoming kind of like a recruiter, right? A hiring agency in a way. And you're this middleman, basically. You have a job offer, and you're basically trying to find people that are interested in the job. And so, you kind of have to structure it that way. And I don't want to go into greater detail because it's another video all by itself. But suffice to say is that you have free traffic that you can go out and promote these particular offers. And you basically go into Maxbounty, you go into the BizUp category, and you go into job sites. Okay, and with Maxbounty, you're going to be able to find a lot of these other offers in different categories. So I wouldn't be surprised if you just, browse around, Maxbounty, just ruffle through it, and you'll be able to find other similar offers. But this is like an easy way to start. And we have Postmates, we have DoorDash. The other thing I would recommend is going on a site like OfferVault and seeing if there are other networks that are, enabling you to promote some of these other offers like Uber drivers, Uber Eats, because I have seen them in Maxbounty before, but they seem to come and go. And so this is a very underrated niche. Not a lot of people promote this, so definitely take a look at this. It's very, very cool. The second area that is really nice for promoting different Maxbounty offers is niche forums, okay? And so on the internet, you have forums just about for everything, right? And that's kind of the beauty of it, right? You have more general forums, you have something more specific, and you can basically take an offer, right? Any kind of offer, and this could be like learning a language, this could be learning programming, right? And you have offers here in Maxbounty. Let me show you the offers first. So for instance, we have Pimsleur here, and this is basically a language learning offer. And you can basically go out, and I'm going to show you in a second, and find communities that have to do with language learning. And the thing about promoting it this way is that that's pretty much all they do in these communities, right? Nobody basically goes to a community and basically tells them, hey, don't buy any product, don't buy anything, just learn it on your own. Because people have tried that and it doesn't work. It's hard. For some people, it's hard. Other people pick up quickly, I understand. but they're kind of used to products being offered to them. So you're not really going to be perceived as spammy or anything like that. And I really think it's a good angle to do it. So for instance, we have Pimsleur, we have 23 per lead, we have free 7-day trial. This is email only, so you might want to just promote this one, free 7-day trial offer. And so you can go out and you can basically go on Google and you can basically go something like language learning forums, right? And this includes things like private forums. Here's forums like that. And then you can also go on Reddit, right? You can also type Reddit. You're going to find subreddits. And let me give you a shortcut. So somebody recently asked me as a comment on some other video, how do you promote this without appearing as spammy? Well, the way you do it is it's actually very simple, is that you forget that you have an offer to promote. Just forget about it. Basically go out and just act like you're there to learn a language, to help other people. Provide value first, and then later on you could be like, by the way, this really helps. You're not going to be perceived as spammy if you don't spam. It's actually very simple. Provide value, and then when they ask you questions, I have this offer, I learned this product here, and then you can do it. So what I really when I'm looking at niche offers, I'm looking for these small communities, really kind of off the radar communities. I'm not going to go to bodybuilding.com and start promoting weight loss products, right? It's just not going to work, or some kind of a bodybuilding training, because as everybody knows about that forum. I'm looking for these under the radar communities, and I want to kind of be the big fish in a small pond. I want to come in and I want to provide value, okay? I don't want to go to bodybuilding.com, which is a huge community, and basically spam them and tell them how to do this, how to do that. All right, so that is the way you do it. Not a lot of people do it. In fact, I haven't seen many CPA promotions in kind of the forums that I frequent. So there is a market for that. The next one, and this one nobody really talks about, is guest posting, okay? And so if you don't have a blog, if you don't have a site, you probably don't even know what it is, right? But guest posting is actually really cool, right? Guest posting is very, very powerful. And so guest posting means writing and publishing an article on someone else's website or blog. I offer this on my own site occasionally and do it quite a bit on other blogs with the audience that I want to speak to. It's a great way to connect with new readers and get your name out. So guest posting is really, this is how it works. You create a piece of content and you basically pitch it to a blog. And this is actually mutually beneficial. And the reason for that is that if you create a high quality piece of content, you're going to help that blog with search engine rankings. And they're going to help you by giving you traffic, and also they're going to give you some links to your pages, to your sites, and also you can link to some of the other offers or anything like that. And so the way, this is awesome. This is how I've grown my own sites, my own blogs. And what you want to do is you want to create a site, right? You need to kind of create a site. You need to create something. You can pitch by just generally. You can say, hey, I really like your site. I want to write an article for you. So let's say there's a site called Dollar Sprout. Let me show you how this works. So let's say we have Dollar Sprout and you want to write an article for this site, right? So you have to go on Dollar Sprout and you have to understand what the site is about. So right away, I know what this niche is about. This is about side hustles. It's about money. It's about investing, passive income apps. And I also want to learn their typical articles, right? So here's the articles they have like on the homepage. 50 best side hustle ideas for 2020, how to become a freelance writer, 16 online business ideas for beginners. And you want to create a content that's very, very similar, but not something they already have. And so you can outsource this piece of content. You can do it yourself. Now, this method works a lot better if you have your own website, okay? But you don't need to have your own website. You can do it by, using Maxbounty. You can have the links. So you basically create this piece of content and you link it to the offers. Now, sometimes they will accept it, sometimes they will not, and that is why, it's a better idea to create your own site so that you have, let's say you have 5 pieces of content on your own site. You can create a piece of content for them that's going to have 5 links back to your 5 other articles. Or let's say you have 10 articles. You can link back to your 10 of your other articles, right? And when you're linking back to your own piece of content, it doesn't appear as spammy as if you were linking directly to the offer. I'm going to tell you something that's probably going to blow your mind. This is a very high quality site, Dollar Sprout. It's all offers, right? Of course, it doesn't appear that is, right? And that's really the secret. is that they created a high quality site that delivers value, but it's all affiliate links, right? It's all affiliate links. Like if they were, doing Facebook traffic and Mark Zuckerberg actually like went through the site, page by page, he would not approve it. But because, he's not doing it, because it's going to get approved, a lot of other people are looking at it and they're not really looking at it deeply, they're going to approve it for Facebook ads. But this is all spam. It's all affiliate links. I mean, you can call it spam, you can call it what you want, but it's all affiliate links. That's what I'm trying to tell you. And the reason I'm telling you is that this is how you make a facade out of, affiliate links, right? This is why people don't like affiliate links. So if you want a guest post, which is a really nice method, this is kind of the strategy I want. I may make another video on it, but it's a very nice method to actually get free traffic and get people clicking on your links. And the other piece of advice is that you want to pitch it to sites that are similar to yours, right? I'm not going to pitch Dollar Sprout if I started the site yesterday. I mean, it's going to be a very low chance of being approved. You want to kind of pitch to sites that are kind of in the same area. And in order to understand your market better, you can go to a place called SimilarWeb. You can type in the name of any site and you can see the traffic stats. And that is a really, really powerful way of getting free traffic, getting links, making money. Everybody does it. So it's a very, very powerful. The next method I want to show you is a very innovative method. And I actually had a video about this that a lot of people liked and they wanted to know more. And this is a method where you're basically going to create a little ebook and you're going to sell it on Amazon, okay? And so, for instance, if you type something like how to make money online, how to make money or something like that, how to make money online, you're going to see various books. Now, some books are going to be more established than others, but don't let that stop you, because if I go how to make money online from home or something like that, I'm going to have some of these other lesser known books. And so, here's a book with here's a couple of books with no ratings. Here's a book with very little ratings. Here's a book with very little ratings. And so this is a very powerful method. Here's actually a book about ClickBank affiliate marketing. And so what you want to do in this method is you want to basically create your own piece of content. So you can Google for something called PLR, and that stands for private label rights. And you can basically buy or actually get free content. And a lot of these sites, they actually offer you free content. And what it is basically books, little ebooks, and they're like not very little, right? They're like 20 to 30, 40 pages. And you can basically modify it, do what you want as you see fit. So you can basically go out, you can basically Google for something like, let me show you how this works. You can basically Google for something like how to work from home, 10 jobs to work from home, right? You can basically do something like this. And you're going to see a bunch of articles, and you want to basically open one of these articles, and basically you want to make sure they're doing some CPA marketing. So I'm going to put Survey Junkie because that's a CPA offer. And so here you go. 22 online jobs to make money. And this is a piece of content that is doing CPA marketing. And so you want to take this content, do not copy and paste. You want to just use this as a model. And so you can combine this content with the PLR content that you're going to get, and you can basically export it as a PDF or EPUB and then upload it into Amazon. And Amazon actually has a program called KDP, which stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. It's a self-publishing program. I'm actually going to make a video on that really soon, the entire process, because I also sell various ebooks as another source of income. So I'm going to make a video on that very soon. But that is the way you do it. Now, you want to sell these books for something like 99 cents, not too much, because they're going to be basically downloading this book, getting the value, and then clicking on the affiliate links in order to actually do it. And this book is going to be for consumers. You can have the, make money from home kind of niche where you can basically promote things like Survey Junkie, Vindale Research, Inbox Dollars, and a lot of these similar offers in that ebook. And they'll download it, and then they're gonna, use the offers, and if they want to go further. So this is a really nice method. And then last but not least, another thing you can do is actually similar to this one. And this is where you're not gonna be selling on Amazon. You're basically gonna take all your offers, you're gonna format them using this kind of article, right? Online jobs to make money, ebook publishing, right? So something like take surveys. You're gonna have, 20 ways to make money from home or something like that. And you're going to save this content as a PDF. You're going to put it into Google Docs, export it as a PDF. And then basically you can promote this piece of content on different forums, but in a very unique way. You can basically set up an autoresponder in Gmail, and then you can basically say, hey, are you looking to make money from home or something like that? And then when they email you, that autoresponder will respond, hey, by the way, thanks a lot for emailing me. Here's the complete guide to do it. And you're going to send them this PDF that's going to have the various offers and the links and all of that. So it's kind of similar to the Amazon publishing method, but in this case, it's going to be done through the email platform. And so that is kind of the 5 ways I wanted to tell you to promote these offers for free. This is all entirely for free. You don't have to pay for any of this traffic. It's fully for free. You do have to get it right, the offers, and I'm going to be making further videos on each of these methods. So let me know in the comments below which method appeals to you the most and which method do you want me kind of to elaborate further on. Because tomorrow I'm going to have a video about a very, very exciting free traffic method that I haven't even talked about yet, and I don't think anybody has talked about it on YouTube. So stay tuned if you like free traffic methods. And so I also made many other videos about free traffic methods. You're going to see them on the screen to your right. And so if you want to watch some of the other videos, this is definitely a good time to do so. And so that is all I have for you for today. I really, really hope you've gotten value from this video. Like I said, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I typically answer all the questions and comments in the first several hours when the video drops, so I can get to them, because later on it becomes harder and harder. And so definitely let me know below which of the 5 methods appeals to you the most. You can just put 1 to 5. Tell me why you think it's a cool method, or tell me why you need more elaboration or kind of more help. You want me to clarify something. I would love to do it as well. All right, guys. So once again, thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. This is all we talk about: making money using CPA marketing, ClickBank, and some of the other methods. A lot of methods we discussed, nobody else is talking about. So make sure you get this first before a lot of other people start promoting this, and then it gets too saturated to become profitable. So definitely subscribe, click the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video.